Hello, good morning, everybody. I'm La'alam, your English teacher. Um, this video is produced in collaboration with Smart Educational Technologies. Also, if you want to find us, you can find us in Mala at the Pinnacle School of Languages. So we teach you to speak English naturally. So when you come to us, your change is guaranteed. ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ለዓለም ነኝ። ይህ ቪዲዮ እየተዘጋጀ ያለው አፍሪ ስማርት ኤጁኬሽናል ቴክኖሎጂ ጋር በመተባበር ነው። ስለዚህ መቀሌ ላይ ደግሞ ፒናክል ስኩል ኦፍ ላንጉጅ ላይ ልታገኙ ትችላላችሁ። በዚህ ቪዲዮ ዛሬ የምንማረው ትምህርት ምንድን ነው? The use of ain't. The use of ain't. Ain't. What's ain't? ምንድን ነው? Ain't ምንድን ነው? What's ain't? Ain't ምንድን ነው? Can you take time? እስኪ ጊዜ ወስዳችሁ what's ain't? እስኪ ከኔ ጋር አንድ ያንብቡት። Ain't. A-I-N-I-T. A-I-N-T. Ain't. So ain't is actually, it's a slang word. It's a slang. What is a slang? Slang is a kind of English that is used by a small group of people, and it's not standard English, okay? So slang is used by a small group of people, and it's not a standard English. But some slangs are also incorporated into a standard English. Slang ምንድን ነው? በጥቂት ሰዎች ግሩፖች የምንጠቀምበት አይነት እንግሊዝኛ ነው። ስለዚህ ስላንግ ስታንዳርድ አይደለም, which means መደበኛው ቋንቋ ጋር የተቀላቀለ አይደለም። ግን አንዳንድ ስላንጎች ደግሞ ወደ ስታንዳርድ ላንጉጅስ የተቀላቀሉ አሉ ማለት ነው። So ain't again, where do we find ain't? That's a good question. Where do we find ain't? Well, we find የት ነው የምናገኘው? አሁን ስላንግ ምንድን ነው? like ain't ምንድን ነው ብለናል? slang. So where የት ነው የምናገኘው ለሚለው ደግሞ we might listen to it on TV or music or movie እናገኘው እንችላለን። ለዚህ በቴሌቪዥን በሙዚቃ ውስጥ ላይ በሙቪ ላይ ልናደምጠው እንችላለን፣ ልንሰማው እንችላለን ማለት ነው። ሰው አንዴ ወደሚቀጥለው ከመሸጋገሬ በፊት አብረን ደግመዋለን። the use of slang ነው ዛሬ እየተነጋገርን ያለ ነው። ain't የሚለውን ነው የምናየው። ain't ሙቪ ስታዳምጡ የምንሰማው ነው። what's ain't ለሚለው it's a slang ብለናል። slang ምንድን ነው ደግሞ? Slang is a kind of English that is used by small group of people, but it's not a standard English. Where ለሚለው ደግሞ where የት ላይ ነው የምናደምጠው? TV. We watch it on TV. We might listen to it on TV or music or movie. Okay? ስለዚህ ain't የሚለው ነገር ካሁን በፊት የምታውቁት ከሆነ በጣም ጥሩ ነው። የማታውቁት ከሆነ ደግሞ ተጨማሪ ግንዛቤ ልትይዙበት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የምናውቀውን ነገር we have to use it. okay? ወዲያው የተማርነው ነገር use it or lose it የሚባል አባባል ምን ማለት ነው? ወዲያውኑ መጠቀም አለብን፣ ካልሆነ ግን ይጠፋብናል። ስለዚህ use it or lose it ስንማር ወዲያው ጥቅም ላይ መዋል፣ ጓደኛችን ጋር ስንነጋገር ወይ ስንሰማ I heard that መድገም፣ ጽሁፍ ላይ ልንጠቀምበት እንችላለን፣ አንጠቀምበትም፣ በት ስንናገር ግን መጠቀም አለብን ማለት ነው። So great. So ይህንን ካልዘንዳ ምንድን ነው የምንለው? next ይህንን ካልን በኋላ I'm going to give you some example. I'm going to give you an example. So it's commonly used in movies, and for example, I'll give you an example. Examples of the child. She ain't my friend. She ain't my friend. Can you guys get it? She ain't my friend. She ain't my friend. He ain't a good boss. He ain't a good boss. Hey, he ain't a good boss. He ain't a good boss. So let's see, what is ain't? And the isn't ማለት ነው. Or it could be aren't. Or it could be haven't. Or it could be hasn't. So let's see, so when you use ain't, it is like the meaning of ain't is isn't ነው what's ain't ስትባሉ isn't ነው or ain't ምንድን ነው aren't what ain't or haven't what's ain't it's hasn't ስለዚህ ain't can be used like isn't aren't hasn't or haven't so remember that how to use that so use it or lose it ስለዚህ ስንጠቀምበት ሁሌ እኛ ጋር ይዋሃዳል naturalize ያደርጋል ማለት ነው so for example she ain't my friend repeat that after me she ain't my friend again she ain't my friend she ain't my friend good he ain't a good boss he ain't a good boss she ain't from okay she ain't from I can say let me give you another example she ain't from Congo she ain't from Congo so let's repeat that because there's no reason to rush Ziga ሳንጣደፍ እስኪ አንዴ እንድገመው because the more we repeat the more we understand that today አሁን ዘግይታችሁ ለገባችሁ the use of ain't እየተማር so what's ain't is isn't or aren't or haven't or hasn't okay isn't aren't haven't or hasn't that's good what's ain't it's a slang so what's a slang is an English that is used by a small group of people. Where do we find it? On TV or when we listen to music or movies, right? So whatever you learn, you should use it. If you don't use it, you're going to lose it, right? So now I'm giving you some examples, right? She ain't my friend. He ain't a good boss. He ain't a good boss. He ain't a good boss. Okay. He ain't a good boss. He ain't a good boss. Good. Very good. Another thing is that ain't got. Ain't got means, what's the meaning of ain't got? Ain't got means, the meaning is like ain't got, haven't got, I do not have. Okay, let me give you an example of that. I ain't got. I ain't got time for, hey, I ain't got time for that. Can you repeat after me? Ain't got. Can you repeat that after me? Ain't got. Ain't got. Very nice. Ain't got means do not have. I ain't got time. She ain't got time. Or I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. Repeat that after me. Can you get it? I ain't got time for that. Repeat that after me. I ain't got time for that. Now, I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. Very good. Good. We ain't. Hey, we ain't got money. We ain't got money to buy that, to buy that. Hey, we ain't got money to buy that. Okay, now, let me give you a little time. So make your own sentence with ain't. Can you make your own like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sentence of your own? Can you make your own sentence? Like give you like 5 minutes or like 3 minutes to do that. Do it. All right, we're back. So what are the things that we're talking about? So ain't got is don't have. So I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. We ain't got time. I mean, we ain't got money for that, or we ain't, we ain't have the budget for that. So የራሳችሁን አረፍተ ነገር ስሩ ብያችሁ ነበር። ain't በሚለው ሰርታችኋል። እስኪ ሞክሩ በያላችሁበት just read it or በኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። ain't የሚለው ላይ I'm going to correct them. Okay. Thank you very much for being with us. And this is our lesson for today. And I'll see you in another video with another lesson that hope it helps you speak English naturally. So this video was made in collaboration with AfriSmart Educational Materials Production and the Pinnacle School of Languages in Malala. And thank you very much. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye for now.